Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about the Wipro Japanese Proficiency Survey. Many of the students have already received this survey today, and you all were messaging me on Telegram that ma'am, what is this survey all about and why this survey has been sent to us by the team, and what will it is mandatory to fill up the survey, and it is for phase 1 or phase 2 candidates. So every details about this survey mail I will discuss in this single video. So don't skip the video, watch till end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, definitely join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. So without much further delay, let's begin with the video. So as you can see, I will show you the mail. So this is the mail of Wipro 2 Japanese survey, proficiency survey. So Wipro 2, why it has been written is, it is mainly for the phase 2 candidates, because phase 1 candidate have already received it in the month of December, January, right? So this is for the phase 2 candidates, and this mail has been sent by the Wipro Global Campus Hiring team. So as you can see this mail, greetings from Wipro, congratulations on being selected. As we understand your institute is nurturing Japanese language proficiency, we would like to gather few inputs from you. So here a link has been provided, a Google form link has been provided, a survey form which you need to fill up. So first I would like to say that this Japanese proficiency survey is basically, they want to know that whether you know this Japanese language or not. Okay, so there are many language. Wipro, as you know, that it is a multinational company, so not a particular state or a particular country is like filling the form, right? So many students are from our different states, different countries. So Wipro tackle with different countries as well. So there are many Japanese customer, Japanese clients that Wipro handles. So they just want to know that whether you have a little bit proficiency of Japanese language or not. Many students have German, French, Japanese in their side language in their school or in colleges. So they just want to know what is your level of knowing in Japanese. If you know, then you have to fill the form. If you don't know, then also you will fill the form, but there the inputs will be little bit different. I will tell you how is the form and how you will fill it up. So after clicking on that link, there are few general details like your full name, superset registered email ID. Okay, then contact number, enter your college name, and are you certified in Japanese language? So if you are certified, click on yes, otherwise no. Don't try to act like a bit smart that no, I don't know, but I will mark here yes, so that it will add as an advantage to me. No, don't try to do that, because if you click here yes, they will ask you further question on the Japanese language level, which level of student you are. So it's better to select no if you don't know, right? So if you know Japanese, the team will like consider you that you know this language, and they will in future they will try to tackle with you in Japanese. You will receive mail in Japanese language. Okay, so no need to do that. If English is better, if you know, then it's all right, but if you don't know, click on no. Then are you getting trained on Japanese language? If you are not getting trained, then click on no. No issues, because this is not an offer letter or something that you will select no and you will get rejected. No, it's not like that. So it is just a basic survey mail. Many students have got and many of you have not got. So I will tell that don't leave the survey mail. Every survey mail is important for every student, so don't miss the survey mail. Fill it up according to your proficiency, according to your knowledge. Fill it up, don't fake anything. Fill how much you know, just fill that much only, and click on submit. They that hiring team is only want to check your level of proficiency, right? So this was all about the Japanese language proficiency. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like my video, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any further doubts regarding this candidature update or any other updates regarding Wipro or any other company, then definitely drop out your comment in the comment section, and you can message me also in Telegram. I will reply to all your comments. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video. Bye.